Hello children, once again we are here and today you are going to learn something new. What is that? Yes, come on tell me. First of all, how many vowels are there? Yes, very good. All are good children. You all remember, see? Yes, there are 5 vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. And before this we had learned words with A sound. And today, which is the second vowel? Come on, anyone tell me? Yes, E. So today we are going to learn words with E sound. What we are going to learn, children? Correct. We are going to learn words with E sound. So all of you look here on the board. Can you see? What is that? Yes, correct. There are beautiful pictures. But we are going to learn about it afterwards. First, we are going to learn about this words. Okay, now look there. Okay, can you see? Which rhyming sound is this? Come on, tell me. Yes, correct. This is ED, ed. How you will say? You will not pronounce like A. It is not ad, it is ed. You have to pronounce it short. ED, ed. Okay. Now look here. Which rhyming sound? Correct. ED, ed. Now, can you see your initial sound? What initial sound we add there? Very good. All are good children. You all know. It is B. So, which word is that? B-E-D, bed. Come on, all of you say B-E-D, bed. You don't have to say bad. It is not bad. It is B-E-D, bed. Okay, you know what is bed? What you do on the bed? Yes, we sleep on a bed, right? Okay. Now, again, which rhyming sound? E-D, ed. Okay, now look here. Which initial sound is there? Come on, fast. Correct. R. Which sound is there? R. So, now what is that word? Yes. R-E-D, red. What is that word, children? R-E-D, red. You know what is red? Very good. Red color. Come on, tell me one fruit with red color. Which fruit is that? Yes. Apple. What is that? Apple. Very good. Now look here. What is this? Again, yes. E-D, ed. What rhyming sound? Ed. Now, which initial sound we are going to add there? Correct. L. So, what it will be, children? L-E-D, lead. Come on, all of you. L-E-D, lead. Okay, when we lead somebody, you know, that is called lead. Very good. Now, again, come on, tell me the rhyming sound. Correct. E-D, ed. Now, which initial sound we add to that? Correct. F. So, what it will be? F-E-D, fed. All of you repeat. F-E-D, fed. Once again. F-E-D, fed. Yes, you are small, so mama feeds you, right? Correct. Now, see here another rhyming sound. What is that? E-G, egg. Come on, repeat children. E-G, egg. Okay, now look at the first word. Here, what we have done? We have add one more G at the back. So, what is that? E-double-G, egg. All of you repeat. E-double-G, egg. Very good. Okay, come on, tell me, from where you get egg? Yes, we get from hen. Hen gives us egg, right? Okay. Now, again, look at the rhyming sound. What is that? E-G, egg. Come on, say E-G, egg. Now, look at the initial sound. What is that? Yes, very good. L. Which initial sound is that? L. So, now what it will be? Correct. L-E-G, leg. Come on, all of you repeat. L-E-G, leg. All of you show me your leg. Come on, touch your leg. Very good. Yes. Now, look here. What is the rhyming sound? E-G, egg. All of you repeat, children. E-G, egg. Now, look at the initial sound. What is that? Come on. Very good. B. What is that, children? B. So, what it will be? B-E-G, beg. It is not bag. Bag means what you carry. This is B-E-G, beg. Beg means, yes, when you want something, you ask for it and you beg. That is called B-E-G, beg. Very good. Now look here. Again, what is the rhyming sound? E-G, egg. Now, what is the initial sound there? Correct. P. What is the initial sound? P. So, what it will be? P-E-G, peg. All of you repeat. P-E-G, peg. What is peg? Yes, when mama hangs a cloth and it will not fly away, we put a peg, pin. That is called a peg. Come on, say P-E-G, peg. Very good. Now, look here. Another rhyming sound we are going to do. What is that? E-double-L-ill. Very good. Now again, E-double-L-ill. Okay. Now, come on. What is the initial sound there? Yes, B. So, what it will be? B-E-double-L, bell. All of you repeat. B-E-double-L, bell. All of you sing bell. Yes. Yes, you can see your school bell. It rings, right? Correct. Now again, what is the initial, what is the rhyming sound? E-double-L-ill. Okay. Now, what is the initial sound? Correct. W-E-double-L, well. All of you repeat. W-E-double-L, well. Have you seen a well? Yes. What is there inside the well? Water. Very good. Now, again look at this rhyming sound. What is that? E-double-L-ill. Okay. Now, initial sound. What is the initial sound there? Correct. T. So, what it will be? T-E-double-L, tell. All of you repeat. T-E-double-L, tell. What means tell? Yes. Night when you go to sleep, mama tells you story, right? That is called tell. Now again, E-double-L-L. Now, what initial sound we add here? Come on, tell me, try all of you. Correct. F. So, what it will be? F-E-double-L, fell. Once again, F-E-double-L, fell. Fell means when you fall down. Correct? We said, I fell down. Right, children? Okay. Now, look here. What is this? Yes, which rhyming sound? E-T, et. It is et. It is not at. Whenever you say these words, children, you have to be very careful. It is not A-T. When you say A, it is A-T, at. Your mouth will open. How it will be? A-T, at. This is E-T. So, what you are going to say? E-T, et. It will be short, right? Okay. Now, look at the rhyming sound. What it is? E-T, et. Come on, try all of you. E-T, et. Very good. And what is the initial sound there? Yes, very good. An. So, what it will be, children? N-E-T, net. All of you, come on, say N-E-T, net. You can look on the board and say, children, N-E-T, net. Yes, all those who are having aquarium, can you have that net too? Whenever you are cleaning that fish tank, you take a net and you remove the fish, right, children? Yes. Now again, E-T, et. Come on, say E-T, et. Now, what initial sound is there? Look at the board. Correct. G. So, what it will be, children? G-E-T, get. All of you say G-E-T, get. Okay, when we get something, when somebody gives us something, we get. Okay, children? Very good. Now, look again. What is the rhyming sound? Very good. E-T, et. Very good. Now, look at the initial sound. What it is? Yes, W. So, what it is? Come on, say W-E-T, wet. Repeat, children. W-E-T, wet. Okay, what means wet? Yes, when it is raining and we go out without raincoat or without an umbrella, we get wet. So, that is wet. Yeah, our clothes become wet, right? Yes, or when we play in a water. Now, again look at the rhyming sound. What is that? Correct. E-T, et. Now you all know, you all are good children. So, what is the initial sound? L. So, what it will be children? L-E-T, let. Come on, say L-E-T, let. What means let? When mama allows you to play. Your mama let you to play, right? Let means she allows you. Yes, very good. Now, look at the another rhyming sound. What it is? E-N-N. It is not an. When we write A, we say an. But this is E-N-N. Okay, children? Very good. This you have to practice at home, okay? Now again, the rhyming sound is E-N-N. And look at the initial sound. This we already studied. So, you all must know. What is that? Correct. H. So, what it will be? H-E-N, hand. All of you look on the board. H-E-N, hand. You have seen hand, right? Very good. Now, look here. Again, what is the rhyming sound? E-N-N. All of you repeat. E-N-N. And what is the initial sound? Correct. P. So, what it will be children? P-E-N, pen. What it is? P-E-N, pen. Okay. Very good. Now, again, look here. What is the rhyming sound? E-N-N. What it is children? E-N-N. Now, look at the initial sound. What is that? Correct. D. What is that children? D. So, what it will be? D-E-N, den. Okay, come on, tell me who lives in a den? Correct. Lion lives in a den. Okay, the home of a lion we call den. Very good. Now, look here again. Which sound is the rhyming sound? Correct. E-N-N. And what is the initial sound? T. So, what it will be? T-E-N, ten. Come on, show me your fingers. Yes. Now, fast, come on, count your fingers. How many are there? Correct. 10 fingers, right? So, T-E-N, 10. Very good children. These words every day you have to practice at home. Okay, you have to learn. Now, we are going to do few sentences with this E sound words. Okay. Okay, what is that? You are going to repeat after me. Very short sentence. Now, you have learned two words. Okay. Now, you are going to learn to make a short sentence. Okay. So, you have to repeat after me. Okay. Look here on the board. Okay. Tell me what is this? Correct. Hand. What it is? Hand. Okay. You know where hands stay? Can anyone tell me? No? Okay. That we are going to learn today. Okay, children? You have to repeat after me. The hand is in a coop. Come on, all of you repeat. The hand is in a coop. Again, the hand is in a coop. Very good. Now look here what it is. Yes, what I am having in my hand? Correct, pen. This is a pen. And can you see that pen? What is the color of that pen? Very good. Red. So, we are going to make a small sentence. What we will say? The pen is red. All of you repeat. The pen is red. Again children. The pen is red. Very good. Now, look this side. What is there? Yes, there is a bell. But the bell is small? No, it is a big bell. So, what we are going to say? A big bell. All of you repeat. A big bell. Once again, a big bell. Now, look here. What is that? Yes, there is a girl. Cute girl like you. And what is that girl doing? That girl is sleeping. Where you sleep? On the bed. Where you sleep? On the bed. So, where is the girl sleeping? Correct. On the bed. So, what we are going to say? The girl is on the bed. Once again, the girl is on the bed. Again you repeat children. The girl is on the bed. So, children, these words you have to practice and you have to write it once at home. And every day you have to learn these words and sentence. You are good children, so study well and stay safe at home.